This is me, like,
Yeah.
this week 8 that just passed, I was ready to, I was ready to stand. I anticipated it. So when it didn't come, I said, okay, good. One more week to go then.
Yeah.
That's how I look at it. I don't count to the end.
Exactly. Like even
Week by
last week,
week.
I kind of expected I will be up.
And you weren't up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Were you up last week?
No, I wasn't.
And now you're up this week,
No,
right?
I am.
Okay. So now I'm up. Now I'm not up this week.
Mm-hmm.
Week 10.
Week 9.
Sorry, week 9.
Mm-hmm.
I'm expecting to be up.
Yeah.
Now when I'm up, when I get up week 9, how I approach this is, I'll do everything I can to make sure that that Monday I turn the tables by however means the man above. If the tables don't turn, fine. Then
Accept your fate.
I accept the fate. I accept my fate.
Accept your fate.
And then prepare my mind to leave.
Mm-hmm.
Every single time I've stood up there on Eviction Sunday,
Yeah.
I prepare my mind
I'm ready to leave.
to leave.
Exactly. I think that's the best way you
The preparedness is really what will help you in the long run, so that you don't get swamped by all these other extra emotions that probably, and then probably get depressed in the long run from all of that shit. You know what I'm saying?